Hi, welcome back with Mr. Canada. We're looking at percentage change today. So, percentage change, or percent, right? I will actually also kind of put in brackets that this is our multiplier, is equal to our new value over original. That's because we have an N and an O, and that's why I'm saying this is our M, our percentage change, right? So, is used to find the increase or decrease, and it's by dividing the new over the original. So just like before, let's go through an example. So example one, originally a light bulb cost $15. So that's originally 15. Sells on sale, so our new value is 9. What was the sales percentage? Okay, so what exactly we're doing? Well, it says we're doing n divided by, n divided by O, or no. And so we're going to get 9 over 15. So 9 divided by 15. We could work it out quite easily because it's a fraction. But that is 0.6. Right? So that is why I said this is actually our M. So it's not as easy of just saying, because we want percentage change. So what are we saying? Well, we are saying that this is 60%. Right? Now, does that mean that this light is, well, if we times it by 0.6, we're going to get 9? Does that mean that it's, what was that, 40% off, right? So if we take 15 and we times by 0.4, right? So 0.4 would be 60% off, right? But if we're timesing 15 times by 0.6, wouldn't that stand that that's 40% off? So that's the thing that you just have to kind of think about. So it's not actually 60% off, it's 40% off its original. And double check that always by simply thinking, well, if I have to do 100 minus 40, right, from our decrease of 40, right? Just think, what is 10% of our 15? That's 1.5. You're taking off, you times that by 4, you take off 6, right? So you take off, this would be 6 off of 15, and this would give us 9. So it's kind of a weird concept, the percentage change questions that like to mess around with people. So let's try another one, though. So rental prices change from $1,250 a month to $1,400. So originally they're $1,250. After then they changed to $1,400. So what exactly are we doing? Well, we do, let's bring it over here. M equals N divided by O. So this is 1,400 divided by 1,250. Looked like I was trying to do dots there. I was not. So 1,400 over 1,250. That's going to give us 1.12. And we can times by 100, so we get 112%. And so when it's positive here, you can actually see it a lot more. They've increased 12%, right? Because if you subtract 100, we'll get it back. So we can say they increased 12%. Biggest misconception is these last steps here in example 1 and here example 2, where you have to actually think, okay, after I've done all this math, let's use the brain a little bit. Let's do some logic. Last example let's go through is a car is sold for 500. So it's sold for 500 and then 600 and then 700. What was the overall change in percentage? Okay, so overall change would be from here to here, would it not be? So we actually don't need to know this little step in the middle. So we don't need to know that. So originally it sold for 500. Now it's sold for 7. So M is N over O, which is 700 over 500, which is 7 over 5, or 14 over 10, So that's 1.4, which is 40% change. Okay. So that's the percentage change.